We're here today over at ISE 2018 and we're joining James from Contacta to talk about their brand new RMM1 Remote Monitoring Module for induction loops. James, brand new product launched at the show.
Yes.
What can you tell us about remote monitoring for induction loops?
Well, the name says it all really. It's a very simple to use remote monitoring device for our HLD7 and HLD9 hearing loop drivers. It's an internet connected module. It's a very simple setup, and it will send you an email if there's any faults to do with the loop. If the loop gets cut or not used, you'll get an email, or your client will get an email instantly to let you know there's a problem, which means you can fix it before there's a problem out on site. The internet connectivity also means that you can access the driver and all of its settings on the same wireless LAN, which saves setup time when you're out in the field. You can adjust the levels whilst you're in the auditorium actually listening to the loop being driven at the same time. The connections on the back are very simple. It's powered by a 5-volt USB socket. You need an RJ45 Ethernet connected to the internet for it to work.
So James, if you can just explain to us, why do we need remote monitoring? Why does the building owner or the engineer not know that there's a problem on the system normally?
Yes, because most of us don't use hearing aids. You don't know there's a problem because you can't hear it. With a speaker, you'll be able to hear it instantly because there'll be no sound coming out. It's only when the hearing aid user goes to the venue and has to make a complaint that they realise it's not working. At that time, it's too late to fix the system. If the loop's been cut or turned off previously, the installer will know instantly when that's been turned off, and so the problem could be preemptively fixed before the end user has to make a complaint, and that way everyone's happy.
RMM1 available now from Contacta. More coming from us over at ISE 2018.